This fried rice is better than takeout. So if you want to see how I achieve this delicious pot of fried rice, just continue watching, guys. Big shout out to all my returning supporters. I appreciate you guys a lot. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome on board. Please tap the subscribe button and the notification bell. So let's prepare this one, guys. Just watch along. So jumping straight into this, we're going to prep and cook our rice overnight. Yes, so in the morning this is cooled and ready to be used. So I'm just going to wash this and put to boiled, and also prep my fresh veggies. Here I have some bell pepper, red and green, and I'm using red onion and regular onion and some garlic. And I'm also going to use some cabbage. I'm going to slice those and put aside. Next step is to prep our chicken breast, and we're going to slice this and cut in some fine strips as you see me do here. Then we're going to wash this with vinegar, season, and put to marinate for a bit. So here we're just doing a quick run through of all our ingredients. Here we have our fresh veggies, our frozen veggies, our cooked and cool rice, and our seasoned chicken. So let's start cooking. And last minute into sauteing my chicken, I decided to use some eggs as well. So hence I didn't do the eggs before. So let me just put that out. So I'm just going to mix this well, and then when we remove our chicken, we can scramble our eggs. And then we'll come back when it's time to prep the rest of the ingredients. So here we start sauteing our onion mix. And just want to saute that for a little. Then we add our garlic, then our bell peppers and cabbage. And we're going to season as we go. And then the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. But if there's any additional tip, I'll definitely come back. So just continue watching, guys. soy sauce, and I'm going to mix this well, and then we can pull out our wok pot. Yes, this is just for combining everything, and I'm going to add a bit of yellow food seasoning. Yes, for me to get this pretty color. Yes. So now I'm just going to draw from my wok pot, allow that to heat up with a bit of oil, and then we can combine this and add our chicken and egg. So continue watching, guys, and I'll come back at the end of the video. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so at this moment and turn your bell on for future uploads. So here is our fried rice all done, and I used some fresh parsley to garnish, and the end result was very delicious. So please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and also check out my channel memberships. And again, guys, thanks for watching. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.